Look at this. This is an AED, the automated external defibrillator. This thing can help restart a heart. When you find someone collapse with no breathing, no movement, this thing can help restart a heart. But many people at workplace are afraid or are intimidated of using the AED. But today on this video, I will take you step by step on how to use an AED. More importantly, I will show you on how to use the different button on AED so that next time that you find yourself in an emergency situation whereby your colleague or your friend have collapsed in front of you and has no breathing, no sign of movement, you should not be intimidated of using the AED. Let me show you how. This AED is bilingual, so I can program it to speak French or English. So there are AED that have that option. So if you are like in US or in Mexico, you may have an AED that is programmed with Spanish or an English. So it depends on the type of AED that you purchase. Back of the AED, there's a battery session that you need to regularly put the battery. And this is one of the issues that company has. Sometimes the battery will be expired, they will not know. So then when there's an emergency, the AED will not be functioning. So that's why sometimes we provide such service whereby we regularly check AED in companies or workplace. So there's a section for battery there. Let me close it. So, okay, let's continue. Let's talk about the pad. These are the pad. So on the pad itself, you have similar design. You have similar indication that as on the AED. I mean on the box. So you have similar design. So basically, as you can see here, it's showing on the image, the drawing of a person, is showing you that you can put a pad upper right and lower left. Upper right and lower left. So that's what is indicating you. So I simply means that when you pick up an AED, simply pay attention on what is showing you as directive. So whether it's on image or writing, that will help you properly. So you don't need to panic when you take an AED at your workplace. No. So it's completely simple to follow the process. And on this part here, you can see when it's a child on this type of AED, you see how it's indicating that you need to put the pad in the middle of the chest. While for adult, he's telling you that you need to put one pad upper right and one upper left. But in case of the child, he's showing you that you need to put right there on the center. But as I said, in few minutes, I will show you on how to position the AED, how to start on the mannequin. So yeah, so that's the pad. The pad, let me open. So before going to the next step, let me open. There are two pads. You see, they come sticking on the little thing like this. There are two pads. So you take it, you remove. You see, as he did. Sorry, it comes this way. It's like this. So you open it. You see, they're sticky. You just open, and then you apply to the person. No, on this side, the same thing. You remove it. It's bit glue. It's like a sticky gluey on the other side, because you need to. It's like a glue on this side that need to stick on the body of the person. So and then you stick it. So this is the pad. And then you have this little, you know, when you are using, you have these little things. So when you are on an emergency, you don't care about this, because as soon as you remove it, you just leave it down there. So, but for me, as I'm on demo, I'm practicing, so I need to put it back because I need to show you on how to apply on a person. But for me here, I have a mannequin, so I'll show you how to apply in a person when you are about to use AED. So basically on this, that's the AED. Decided to go to demystify this, to go step by step, because myself, before started using training in this industry, I was intimidated also by an AED. So, but that's why I said, okay, let me go through this so that people should not feel like how I was feeling. Because most of the time, people are afraid of pulling out the AED because they think they cannot handle it. And as I have mentioned, you simply have to follow the prompt that the AED, the machine, the software is indicating you. So like, you see how we do it now. As soon as you put on, I have indicated here, as soon as you see like this design here is for kids. As soon as you put it on the press button on.
Adult patient.
You see?
If the patient is a child, press the child button. Child patient.
See?
Remove the child's shirt. Remove packet and apply pads onto child's bare skin. Apply pads to child's back and chest.
Let me switch off. So as you can hear, let me switch off. So as you can hear, as soon as you put on, immediately will start and requesting you. If it's an adult, you know, you continue the process. If it's a child, it's requiring you to press the child button. As soon as you press the child button, right away, the process, the whole force on restarting the heart will be applied based on the child. But for adult, it's based on the adult. So that's what it is. And as you can see, I'm repeating myself, until you follow the first process that the AED have requested, you will not be able to go on the next step, whereby to deliver the shock on the child, on the person. So that's why as soon as you put it on.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button. Child patient. Remove the child's shirt.
Remove the child's shirt.
Remove packet and apply pads onto child's bare skin.
It's telling me to remove pack and apply pad.
Apply pads to child's back and chest as shown in the pictures.
Yes, as shown in the picture.
Remove packet and apply pads onto child's bare skin. Apply pads to child's back and chest as shown in the pictures.
Let me switch off. So now, so to switch off, you simply need to put your finger on the green button there and you delay a bit and then it will switch off. So now, without delaying, let me show you on how to apply on the mannequin. So we already went through the basic of AED. Now let me show you on how to put the pad now. So you have a person over here in the floor who have collapsed. You want to help the person. You have grabbed your AED and now the person has his clothes. So first, just remove the clothes. Now you have your AED here. So right away.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button. Remove clothing from the patient's chest. Remove packet and apply pads onto patient's bare skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly on skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly on skin. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm.
I don't touch.
Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear. Press the flashing shock button. Press the shock button now. Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
You can hear the beep of the AED, so that it is indicating us on how
Continue CPR.
to follow the rhythm before doing CPR. After we have put the pad, upper right, lower left. You can hear the rhythm. Talk, 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 talk. And let me do few for you, but I have a complete video about how to do CPR and AED. But this is just to show you on how
Continue
to
CPR.
apply the pad and how the basic knowledge of this. This is not the main video, but let me show you a bit by following the rhythm. Tap, 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 tap.
Continue CPR. Continue CPR.
So as you can hear, the AED is telling me to continue CPR. You just follow the prompt. You just follow the directive. So if you are at workplace or anywhere you find yourself, you can grab an AED and follow the prompt, and then
Stop
assist the
CPR.
person.
Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart
See,
rhythm.
this is the second time it's asking me to create
Do not touch
to
the patient.
give a shock.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear. Press the flashing shock button. Press the shock button now. Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
Tuck, 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 tuck. And you can also follow. You just simply have to follow the rhythm. Because to do CPR, you need to follow, there's a specific rhythm you need to be following so that you can be able to help the person. But as I said, there's a special video, there's an exclusive video about how to do CPR and using AED. You can watch that video on my channel. But here, it was just about to show you the basic
Continue
on how to
CPR.
use this.
Continue CPR.
Let me switch it off. So now, let me do this on application to a child. Let me remove this big boy here and apply to a child. Can you help me here, Akash? Dress this big boy. Thank you. So now we have a child here. So let's follow the prompt and try to help a child. So the same process, let me put it on.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button.
This is the child button.
Child patient. Remove the child's shirt.
So,
Remove packet and apply pads onto child's bare skin. Apply pads to child's back and chest as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly on skin. Press pads firmly on skin. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear. Press the flashing shock button. Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
Never be intimidated again by AED. Download the AED guide below at the description. See you in another video.